What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today's video I'm going to unbox my new gaming keyboard from company called Kero, and this is my first gaming keyboard, and it's called the Kero Hive Lit RGB. And in this video I'm going to walk you through all those features which is inside this keyboard, and I'm going to show you how this works, and I'm going to show you how all the RGB modes and effects which you can change on this keyboard and via the function keys. And there is a special feature in this which is it's like, I don't know how Kero introduced this into a very budget friendly keyboard. So stay tuned for that, and do make sure to like, share and subscribe the video. Let's get started. So here's the box of the keyboard, and as you can see the box is very beautiful. Like, I have never unboxed a product from a Kero, but still this is a very good packaging from Kero. So here are all the features. It has like ultra silent design. It is a 75% compact keyboard, and the main feature which I brought is for RGB lighting. And next is now the special feature which I was talking about is the volume knob. I'm going to show you ahead. So let's unbox it. Now here's a butterfly design on it, and says go beyond limits, and it has a 400 days warranty also. So here's the box. Let's unbox it. So here's how we will open it from here. And there's a community of theirs called Kero Space. They often provide updates on the social media. First things first, we get a user manual and a warranty card on it. So here are all the function keys of it written on it, and here's are how to use the thing. So we'll keep this aside. First we will remove the keyboard. So here's the keyboard. Now this is a color scheme of purple and black. The special feature which I was talking about is this one about the volume knob, and the body is good plastic, not that cheap. It doesn't feel that cheap. It's a very high grade plastic and I will show you one more thing. Is as a two stand adjustment. This is the first one and this is the second one, so you can adjust it according to your height, and it has both sides. Both the adjustments have a rubber grip on it, so that it should not get slipped from table. There's a USB-A to USB-C cable which we can use it for powering the keyboard, and here you need to connect the cable. And this is the box, nothing else we get in it, so we will keep the box aside. I'm going to showing you how the clicks and the types feel of this thing, and I'm going to show you this is a very silent keyboard. That's why whenever any click is done, it is not very loud. Like, it's very silent, and actually for gaming at night at 2 a.m. it's good. So here's the unboxing done. So I'm going to show you how it looks like in night time. When I have set it up in my setup now, I've connected it through the USB. So this is how it looks like. Its RGB is very gorgeous. Like, those who are fanboys of RGB, it's the perfect budget keyboard for them. And plus this RGB is changeable, so not to worry. I'm going to show you how to change its RGB effects and modes ahead. And this is how it looks like. My setup has become now a more nice and a cleaner look by this way. So I'm going to show you now how the RGB can be changed. So when you press the FN plus the volume knob, you go into RGB changing mode. So yeah, you just need to press the volume knob again and the RGB light mode changes. This is how it looks like. This is the effect mode 1 of it, and yeah, it color changes. This is the second mode, and when you press the FN plus left side arrow key, you can change its speed according to how slow it should go, and when you press it fast, it changes its speed and gives it a higher speed. And then this is the third effect. This is how it can be changed the speed, and this is the slowest thing. Now this is the fourth mode. This looks like this is how it looks like. Next mode, and I'm going to tell you now how the brightness will work. So this is the first brightness, this is the second brightness, third, fourth. So this has 4 levels of brightness, and this is the left side breathing mode. It goes to left to right, and this is color changing. So now I'm going to show you how to change the colors of it. Yeah, this is the 5th or 6th mode, I guess. Then this is the breathing effect, and the breathing effect, when you click FN plus tab key, so you can basically change its colors from red, blue, green, purple, and all those. Yeah, and this is how it can be changed. Now this is the solid color mode, in which if you want, you can keep it any color favorite of your choice, solid color. So this is the typing. When you type any key, all the lights glow in it while typing, and after typing one key, it changes the color every time. This is it gives the effect of a per key RGB, but actually it's not. It's just the area of the lighting gets glowed up, and this is how it works like. Now this is the third mode, in which it's got a both side going mode in it. This is all the modes in it, and yeah, now this is the next mode, in which the color changes the colors, and you can change the speed again of it and slow it down as you wish. Now this is the off mode, in which
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Stay tuned. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.